Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word aerosols. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The aerosols released from the spray can cause a strong smell in the room. Aerosols are particles suspended in a gas, like mist or spray, often released from pressurized containers for various purposes, such as cleaning or spraying. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.